Hello everyone, it's Neff and Natalia with Nocturnal Labs back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be what we had to start off with. Okay, you're supposed to cut it and then we start the video.
Oh.
Okay, well, I'll start with my side first. Okay, so what I started off with was, first of all, buying my machine. I got it on the Eastwood website, and I got the TIG 200 DC. Sorry. I got the TIG 200 DC, which is only for steel and stainless steel. And with that, I also bought the filler rod. You can't even see it. The filler rod that was also on their website, and it's like, you know, it just recommended me to buy it together. And this is the ER70S2 in like the 1/16th measurement. Okay, so then after I got my machine, obviously I had to buy, you know, my safety equipment. So I have this little hat here, which, you know, it's just like an extra protection. I don't use it a lot because since I always have like my hair in a bun or a ponytail, it like makes it too bulky and then my helmet doesn't fit right. But if you don't have that much hair, you can use this. And then I got the helmet. I don't know where did I get this?
I can't remember.
I don't know. We got it somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's just a regular like clutch helmet. And then I also I started off with these gloves that were gifted to me by MTC, Marion Technical College back in Florida.
Shout out to MTC, baby.
They gave these to me so I could start my welding journey. And then as I progressed, no, not those. My dad got me these like as a random gift from Defiant Metal, and they are so comfortable. Let me tell you that they are so comfy.
Yeah. Let me cut in. By the way, we watch a lot of their videos. That's how we've been, I guess, learning from our mistakes. Because every time we can't figure it out, we go to this guy's website, YouTube channel, and we correct ourselves watching his videos. So if you guys haven't checked them out, make sure you guys give them a quick look.
Do that. Okay. And then I started. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off from here. I started off with one of these little aprons. Obviously not this one. This one's my dad's. But I started off with this, but I kept getting nervous because I was like, I'm gonna burn myself. And then the one time that I didn't wear it, hold on. The one time that I didn't wear the actual jacket that I bought.
AR-15, baby.
Oh my god. The one time that I didn't wear the actual jacket that I bought for welding, I burned myself, and you guys saw that. And I like this jacket because it's like it's really long. So like, you know, if anything were to like if you're sitting down or something and it'll like,
oh man, like the sparks.
Like, yeah, like if it were to spark and it like land on like your thigh or something, like at least for me, because I'm sure I'm only 5'2", yeah. It covers my thighs.
But that was actually when we were practicing with the MIG, because the MIG like sparks everywhere, but the TIG is a whole lot nicer. Yeah,
it is, but like, you know, you never know. Yeah. Safety first. And then it also has like this little thing right here where like it covers your neck too. So I thought that was very good. Where did I get this from? Oh, shoot, what was that one place?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh dang it.
I can't remember, but
it'll be in the description. Okay, I promise.
Yeah, we'll
put it in the description because I cannot remember right now. But yeah, and then also the other thing that you do need to start with TIG is your Argon Tank, which we got at Airgas.
Yeah, Airgas.
Airgas.
It's expensive, by the way.
It's expensive. Yeah, it was like what, like
3 something,
yeah. But I think it's just like the first time you buy it's gonna be really expensive, and then after that you just refill it, which is right. You just refill it.
Well, we purchased that in Florida, and then I refilled it here in Texas, but it was still like $175. So you're still looking at some change just to I mean, we do it anyway because we enjoy TIG welding, you know, but if you're gonna do it for a business, that's why you guys see the price, you know, that you get charged, because between the argon, the machines, the filler rods, and the what do you call these?
The tungsten.
The tungsten, you know, these things get pretty expensive, so yeah, they get expensive.
So what I forgot to add, when you buy the machine, or at least off of Eastwood, it comes with the pedal, it comes with a tungsten, it came with like extra little
helmet thingy.
Oh yeah, it did come with like if like somebody wants to just watch but they don't have their own helmet, they could just put that like near their face and it like helps out. It looks so funny. But yeah, it did come with that, and it came, what else did it come with?
The torch.
The torch, yeah.
Torch, the ground.
The ground, yeah.
Yeah, the ground. And that was it?
That was it, yeah. And
yeah, the little blue kit was the one that had all the stuff.
Yeah, but that's all they're done. Oh, and then you also need a little welding cart. So your welder doesn't just sit, so like your machine doesn't just like sit on the floor or like anything. It has like its own space. Why was that again? You explained it to me. You explained to me why I needed to be on this.
Well, I mean, it doesn't really need to be here, but the reason I convinced her to get one, because you got all your stuff in one spot. You know, you got your team, you got your welder, you got all the accessories and everything else you need accessible in the cart, where you don't have to be moving around to your table or other places. So it's just easier to have everything, you know, in one spot.
Yeah. And then, okay. Now you can explain your machine.
Okay, so me, when since we were newbies, we didn't know, we thought a welder, you know, we can weld all type of materials. Then we seen a video where they were welding aluminum, and we're like, oh crap, we want to weld aluminum, right? So we tried on this one, and we're like, nah, it sounded so bad welding aluminum.
We did not try on this one, but you would have broken it.
No, we did.
You tried it?
Yeah, we tried to weld aluminum on this one in the TIG setting, and it was just making some crazy noises. So we started looking at some videos. We were like, yeah, we can't weld this. Yeah,
was I there?
No, it was an accident. So we're like, oh crap, we need a DC welder, right? So we started looking, and that's how we ended up with another welding machine. And this one, I got all from Eastwood. I got the helmet from Eastwood, I got the machine from Eastwood, and then again, Defiant Metal. These are some badass gloves, you guys check them out. But this one, you actually have AC and DC, TIG and stick, so this is how we figured out, you know, we can weld aluminum. So that's how we ended up getting this one.
Yeah, it also has, mine has it too, but like where you can control the,
yeah. It's got the foot pedal thingy on here, and it also has, where it says panel control, the Eastwood torches have a little button on them, yeah, where you can actually, instead of hitting the actual pedal, you can hit it with your finger.
I don't use it personally. I find it so hard to. I tried it one time and I was like, Dad, like my fingers don't even reach. Like I can't do this, right?
Yeah. And then this one, we kind of upgraded. We got the CK Worldwide Torch, which I love this thing. This thing is pretty badass because it flexes. I mean, we don't usually flex it too much, but
closer. Okay.
we don't usually flex it too much, but it flexes. So
yeah,
if you got some crazy welds, you know, you can move it around to however you need. And we upgraded the ground clamp on this one by mistake because I actually messed up the other clamp. How? I have no idea, but that sucker burnt. So I had to cut the cable and get this.
It did.
Yeah, it burned.
It burned.
And we got this one, so we kind of upgraded to this brass one, but it's pretty decent, it's heavy duty. You know,
nice.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. If you want, you can shine it up, make it look good, but yeah. And we're gonna show you guys what other tools and stuff we have, because my daughter's got a story for you guys. So here we go.